want to link between the instruments that in the market analyzer to the chart. So what I'm doing, you see the instrument link, the right one should be in red. That's what I choose. The color that I choose is red. I'm going to the market analyzer. I will show you the market analyzer. And I'm also choose the red one, okay? If both in the same color, it will be linked when I just press the instrument. Let's press the UB. You see the UB? Just for the example, I know that the UB can't trade in Apex right now, but I want to show you the example that it's all instruments are the same behavior. Okay, I will put the UB and I will go back to share the screen. You see, it's loading now. So need to loading the instruments and take minutes.
Can you explain them one more time? When is a very good entry?
Yeah, I want to show, but my screen is not function. One minute. Yeah. Oh, now it's okay. Now it's okay. So you see, I press the UB in the market analyzer and I see him in the chart. Like, and you can see, as we explained in the last instrument, when I see the you see the lowest band here, it's a buy and then it's go up. Only when it's go inside the bands, okay? Here you can see that the price is far away from the upper band. So I can't do nothing with this instrument right now. So I can keep searching, okay? Let's see 6J. 6J, let's see what's happening in the 6J. And Okay, this is the 6J. Only when you touch the lower band, I will make a trade. Before that, I prefer not to touch. Okay? You see here, touching the lower band and go up. Let's see if here you see the upper band and it go down.
So usually when check one of the bands, the green or the red gives us the signal for buy or for sell, correct?
Yes,
Nice.
exactly.
All right.
So it's very a powerful tool to identify the trend. If the trend is extreme lower, so we can search for the long side. If the trend is extreme higher, so we can search the short side. Okay? So, and then we can combine this with the Muli bands, with this.
But
this
every day we can find this kind of setup?
Every day you can find, sometimes you can find 5, 6 instruments. Some days you can find only one instrument, and there's no instruments, okay? But with my experience is working with these tools, every day I have at least one instrument that I can work with. Okay? And let's go back to the MCL, to the oil. If we go back to the 69.70 again, it will be a good long entry.
And why you decided to sell it at 70 and not at 70.5?
Because I'm taking a short trade. Short trade, it means 5 to 10 minutes, okay? So based on the $50 to $100 profit. When it reached to this number, I'm closing the position. And searching again to go the next trade in the same price that I go in the first time. If it's not happened, so I live with $100 profit. And if it's happened, I can do a double trade on the same price that I do in the last time.
Some people ask me why you didn't do average before and you closed it in a loss and you decided to enter again with double amount.
Double amount. Because
why didn't you just buy again?
My statistics is if I lose on a trade that based on this tool, the next time I will do it, the statistic that I will lose again, it's very, very low. So I can take a double amount of contract, and then I recover my loss from the first one, and then I go into the profit. So that's what I did here. Okay?
אז מתי אתה מחליט בעצם להגיד, טוב, זה הפסד שאני מעדיף לצאת פה, מאשר לחכות עוד?
When you decide it's a stop and that's it for today.
זה כמעט לא קורה, it's never happened, because as I say,
לא that's it for today. רק להגיד פה, אוקיי, זה מינוס מה שאמרת כאילו. להגיד פה, טוב, אני במינוס 50 או מינוס 100, אני מעדיף לצאת ולהיכנס בדאבל אמאונט.
As you see here, I was take a stop of $40, okay? You go down more, and I double my amount in the new entry. You can see here, and then you go up and I close it in the profit for both trades. Okay?
As most people, they don't just stop and they wait in a lower position. They just like average down because they're afraid they're going to miss exact the time that it's going to go back up.
There is two options. Option one is to cut the loss when it's small and then wait that it go down more and then double the position and then go up and recover the loss for the first one and go into the profit. The other option, you can double your position lower, okay? Both, because I'm Apex don't allow me to double my position, to average my position. So I put the stop, and then I'm waiting that it's gonna be lower, and then I go a new entry. But if it's gonna cancel, like they said yesterday, that they're going to cancel the average, the DCA, so I will do it. But I can tell you that if you cut the loss, small loss, and then you wait that it's gonna be down, it's much better to do it like this. Because if I lost here $100 and go down, and then I double, and then it's go down again, my loss is gonna be $200 to $300. But if I stop here 50, and then I go here again, and I lost is 50, okay, 100 for both trades, but I don't sell it yet because I can believe that this trade go up because it's close to the lower bands, okay? So I can take profit much more faster on the trade. Okay? Let's see another instrument, ZL. ZL, I can show you trade E. You see, ZL, it's also a nice instrument. You can see here in 11 a.m., you see that the tail that he put on the first band lower, and what happened next? It was going to 41.35, and then it go up to close in 31. No, it closed here, 41.67. Nice trade. Let's see historical, when I was shorted on this, when it was in the upper bands. You can see, you see? You see? You see my trades here? Touch the upper band and then go down.
But you enter all on the first band and the second one, or in between?
In the first one.
First band?
Yeah.
And you average if you buy again?
If I average in the second band.
Okay. And
then expect that the price go down. Okay. If I want to work like the first option that I have, that I do here, I stop here, and then if the price go up here, I can double the amount and make a short entry here. Okay. Let's see more trade on this.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah.
So, for example, I'm looking at 6J right now. I just want to make sure that I understand. The power trend, the PT, it's like 72.4. It's oversold, but it's not even close to the top band. So,
one moment, I will load the 6J. This is one, yes?
Yeah, I wanted to ask you this also.
So the power trend is 72.4, right?
Yeah.
PT, but I'm not even close to the top band, so I'm not gonna take a short.
Yeah.
Okay, so I only take long or short when I hit these bands, the upper or the lower.
This trade, look, I'm teaching you now several of strategy, okay, that you can work with. This strategy is if you want to work safe trade, you can work only on the bands, the upper bands or the lower bands. If it's between, you don't do nothing. So you can search the instruments that it's close to the bands. I show you that the ZL was close, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, it touch and go up. You also touch here in here it was yesterday. No, in the morning, 5 a.m. You also go to 41.57 and then
it came back to the view up.
Yeah. Okay. This is a safe trade that I'm calling. If you want to trade safe, this is the tools that you can work with. If you want to combine with another tools that you have, the Muli bands and the viewer by delta that I'm gonna teach you next week, so you can combine several strategy that you can work with. Okay.
Okay.
And if you lose one trade, he normally says that the second one should be
you cannot lose. You can't lose.
When I also have a question, if, for example, I catch a moment also like 2 weeks ago with MNQ, and I also saw assets that they're staying on the power trend like 90, 95, or 3 or 4 or 5 for a long period of time. Like in this case, if you are trapped in a trade, what do you advise to wait with it? Just leave it until it's gonna.
What's happened when?
Like, look, 6S, for example, yesterday, because a lot of people were in the 6S.
6S.
I do believe you also.
5 on the power trend, and he said that to take it only at 450.
6S.
And he didn't get there.
Okay, 6S.
Yesterday.
You see?
Yeah, like power trend was very low. It was like 5, I think.
Okay. One more thing that I forgot.
Okay.
When you push the indicators, okay, you can see you have up band 1 weight, up band 2 weight. If it's currencies, I'm changing the number to 1.001 and 1.003. Only if it's currencies or bonds. Okay, so if it's indexes and commodities, it's gonna be 3 and 6 here. Okay.
Write it down, Titer.
Just write it down that you don't forget. Okay.
Wait, tell me one sec. Wait. So for currencies, wait. 01.
For currencies, bonds, it's
01, 03
in the up band, or 99, 97 in the lower. Okay, and then you push apply.
9 and 997. Okay, and for commodities,
it's 3 and 6. And
0306.
Yeah, and
93, 96. No? Show them.
I showed them. Show you. Just, you see, this is for currencies and bonds. This is the number. Okay. For the other instruments is 3 and 6 and 7 and 4. Okay.
Yeah.
All other instruments, this is the number. Okay. And you can see the 6S yesterday in what time it was, in 6 p.m. You see where it was touching in the 16, 55, 50, 40 here. You see? And what's happened? Go up.
But we tried to take it at 450 and we didn't get it. We tried to catch it in
between. Here?
In between.
Look the tails that is living on the lower bands. You see?
Okay.
The idea is not to chase the price, to let the price come to you. And if you don't get it, wait for the other day.
It was income events that we don't trade. But you can see the other candle, the next candle after the event, you see it touch and go up.
Yeah.
Let's see the upside. If it touch the upside here, see almost touch the upside and go down, almost touch here.
So it doesn't matter what, you need to wait for that extension of the candle to reach the first band. So you can consider about taking a short or a long.
Yes. So it's helping you to choose the direction of the instruments. Okay. If you see like the 6J, okay, that it's in the middle, it's not long, it's not short, you don't choose nothing. If you see the 6S is in close to the lower bands, you choose only the long direction, not the short direction.
Yeah.
Okay, because the risk is very high.
When do you recommend them to trade when there are no events at all? Let's say from 1 a.m. to 11 p.m. What is the time frame that you recommend to
If
trade?
you want to trade in the Asia session, it's okay because the move there is very slow and not very wild. In the Europe session, it's different because it's much more wild.
Between 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. or 2 p.m.?
9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Yeah.
3 p.m.
Yes.
And the US?
And the US is from 3 p.m. to the end of the day.
But usually between 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. is the market open with a big event, no?
Most of the events in the US markets in the 3.5 p.m. Okay, so we need to not to trade in this hour because
4:45.
epochs don't allow us to trade in the news. So we can, and we don't want to gamble what the event will go bad or good.
Mhm.
So we don't trade in this time. We wait to see how the market reaction to the event. And after the market reaction, we can go back to trade. Let's see, let's see in the ZC. Let's see the ZC.
Of course, if you trade with the power trend and you look for a trade and you find something and you're not sure, you can always ask us. Send a picture, ask me. I can ask Muli. He can tell us if it's a good entry or not until you understand how you can do it alone.
You see, the ZC, it was too much time that the power trend was low, too much time. 28 candle, 28 hours, the power trend was below 20. It's very long time. So look what's happened. If you only want to trade on the long side, close to the lower bands, you see? All the time it go near to the lower band, it go up, go up, go up, go up
in the
see?
morning.
So the direction of the ZC it's up, okay? Until the power trend go to 50, 40, 50, and maybe then you go back down again, okay? But if you want to go to the safe
I
side
see.
of it, what?
How much you
You said-
recommend to open a trade? How much quantity?
Quantity, I recommend to start with one contract. When you are when your skills are very high after you trade 3, 4, 5 months, you can go up to 2 or 3 contracts each trade. But start with one, okay? Don't go with higher contracts.
ומולי, חוץ מה שאמרת עכשיו, הפאוור טרנד הזה למטה שרואים שהוא מתחת ל-20, יש עוד איזה אינדיקטור או אינדיקטורים אחרים שכדאי להסתכל עליהם ביחד איתם, כדי להבין קצת יותר?
What other indication do you have, indicators that you have that you can also check?
As I said to you, I have the lower one, this one. This is a very powerful indicator, but I will explain to you next week how to work with.
That's the VWAP delta?
That is the VWAP delta. It's very strong tools also that I will show you how to work with next week. I
So
will
right
explain.
now, if you want to find a trade, if you would need to trade right now, what's the instrument you would look for?
Let's go back to the market analyzer so I can show you how do I do it. Okay, here is the tablet of all the instruments that I'm following. Okay, they go from the higher power trend to the lower power trend. Okay, you can see as long as the power trend is higher, it's in the first places, and if it's lower, it's at the last places. Okay.
Okay.
So I can scan the instrument. What? One thing.
București, 55, Dumitru, kilogram, Radu. De care?
Emilian, te poți pune pe mut, te rog?
Da, Emilian, pune-te tu pe mut.
What?
No, someone was speaking and I asked him to go on mute.
Okay. So let's see you see the ZS. Let's check what's up in there. Let's check the ZS. What's up in the ZS? Look.
We cannot see it. We cannot see it.
One moment. Look how beautiful it's work. This is the ZS. You see? You see the tails?
Yeah.
So the next entry would be where?
Here in the 86, 26 here in this area.
And if it goes there in the next 5 minutes?
So we're gonna wait that the bar will end and we open the trade in the new candle.
So you always open in a new 60-minute candle.
In the 10 minutes for the candle, I'm trying not to open a new trade. I'm gonna wait the candle to be end, and then I'm gonna bet to see what's happened with this band. Sometimes, as you see, it's going straight. It's not going down straight. See?
Mhm.
It means that the power of the downside is very weak. So we can go advantage on this and go long. You see here one. You see the next candle also, it touch the band, it go up. So this trade, it's worth $100, $200 on one contract. Okay?
Wow.
When you do 3-4 trades in a day, when you're searching the best instrument to trade on, it's very easy to make this kind of money, okay? Each day.
מולי, מה זה בסוף הפאוור טרנד? מה הוא מחשב לנו?
The pattern is calculate the power of the trend, how strong he is or how weak he is, according to what's happening here in the candle. Okay, I just took 9 candles and calculate what's happened inside them, and then I get this value. Okay, and when the value is very, very extreme down, as you can see, I assume that all the sellers that want to sell the contract and go make the price go down. Okay, and what's gonna happen next is the correction up, and every time it works the same like the last time that I saw it. Every time it repeat himself every time.
I want to ask you something. What you said something a couple of minutes ago that I noted down. You said for the bonds and for the currencies, we use 01, 03, 99, 97, right?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, and for this one, you use 03, 06, 97, 94?
This one is it, yes.
01, 03, 99.
6. I can show you now. 7, 4. Okay.
Okay.
I change it. But you see?
Yeah.
Here, you see here, almost touch here, okay? Almost touch here, but it's work perfect.
The thing is that if you oversize and you enter with 2-3 contracts and it goes against you, you start to panic. But if you take one contract, you have enough time to wait for it.
You see here? You see here?
Yeah. The VWAP starting bar, you change it for different assets or you keep it to 1540 all the time?
The VWAP?
The VWAP starting bar, it's in the power trend description, something that we need to change all the time. If you go to indicators,
you need to change it. If you're looking for the as I said, the bonds or currency, you change
No,
it.
the view up,
No,
Muli, the
below.
view up starting bar.
Here
Yeah,
you change it one time and that's it.
like to change it to 1540 or to change it to 1000, how you have it here.
This is 1000. You can choose one. It's the same thing. You say one. Let's say one. You see, you're gonna see the same things. It's not gonna change nothing.
Okay,
That's
okay.
indicator.
It just show you from the first time the bands. If I put 1000, you're gonna calculate from the band 1000. Let's show you. You see, it's only calculate from here. You see, it's empty, 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 empty.
Okay, okay, okay. I see.
And you can it only from, you see, it starts from here. But if you want to see the historical behavior of this, you can put one.
And it's giving you everything.
Yes, and give you the all from the start.
Like how many bars you loaded, basically.
You have here from, if we gone from May and we are in there, it's 5 months, historical 5 months.
Okay.
It's enough to see.
Tite, you've been using the power trend and you're doing pretty well.
Yeah, but still I have some questions because I want to go sniper mode, you know. I also had some losses, but anyway, it pays off. I mean, I had like from 10 days of using it, only 2 days with stop loss, like 100, 250.
Okay.
And that's it.
But you can see how beautiful it works. You can see every time it touch the bands, it's go up and opposite. See here, here, here. You have many examples for this, how it's work.
So we just need to wait for the candle to reach the first
You
band.
just need to be patient. That's it. If you are patient and wait for the right point when it's go to the bands and only there you start to trade, it's gonna be perfect. Okay, you see it, 100% winner. All the time it touch, you go up. Here, here. All the time, go up.
Now, also, if you check and you're not sure, you can always ask.
Yeah.
And send us pictures. What do you think? What do you think? You're not disturbing us.
Why I told you not to trade the last 10 minutes? You see this red one? You see this red one? The close, you see? No. But this one is good because you have the tail here, and then it go up. So it's good. But I want to show you one something else. Let's say this candle. Okay. That's for example. Okay. And I know it's not in the band, but just for the example that I want to so that's gonna be clear. This band, you see, it's red one, no tails, nothing. You see, it start here, go down here, and close here. You see?
Yeah.
All this that you see from here, show you.
Arrow?
כן, יש.
arrow line.
אתה רואה אותו?
למעלה ברביעי. הנה. קצת למטה. עוד טיפה. arrow line, לא?
You see this one? This from here? All here, it's happened in the last 10 minutes of the candle, because you see all the people that open position here want to close it before the candle is end. So they take down the price very sharp here. So that's the reason I'm telling you not to get in the trade in the last 10 minutes of the candle. Okay, because it's gonna be wild. So if we want to avoid not to get in the trade and go down from here to here, We don't take the trade in the last 10 minutes of the candle. Okay.
Okay.
And if you just analyze each candle that looks like this, or let's say green, look like this, you see, this area, it's happened in the last 10 minutes of the candle. Okay, that's the reason it's closed in the eye of the candle. Okay, so we don't trade in the last 10 minutes of the candle.
For example, how it is right now, it's like 2:53. Nobody should trade in the last, right?
You see, you have 6 minutes. You see,
Exactly.
it's counting back. You see, 6 minutes to end the time of the band. So I don't trade. No, don't take trade.
So first you check the power trend, and then you go to the instrument.
Yes.
You check the
Just you
band.
see, as I show you, we just analyze the market analyzer. We're just searching the instruments by click the instrument, and then we can see it here on the chart. Let's say I push the MBT. It's the micro Bitcoin. Okay, let's see the micro Bitcoin. You see, it will go up, down. You see the touch on the upper band? You see the test?
Adi,
So, for example,
poți să mai postat transportul ăla gabaritice, scoate-le și pe
Emilian, te poți pune pe
Da.
te poți pune pe mute, rog?
Okay, I mute
All
it.
right. So I just wanted to ask, like, when do you decide to take the take profit? Like, look, you have that big green candle, right? And it touched the band, so you can enter a short at the very beginning of the chart. Can you see it?
Which one?
The left one.
The big, yeah, the left one, that one. Okay, so I enter the trade when it touched the band. Let's say I go short. Okay.
Okay, here.
I go on the other one. Yeah, I go short on the top where it touched the band. Where do I put my take profit? How do I take my take profit?
If you have 50 to 100 profit, you can close it.
Okay, so
If
usually
this is one option. The second option, if you see that you have 10 minutes to the close to the candle, close it.
okay.
Don't take it to the end of the candle. You don't want to take this position when it's below 10 minutes here.
Okay,
He's
so
always
if I'm
looking for $50 to $100 profit, not more than that.
Yeah.
so if I'm in a profit and I have like 10 minutes left, I'm just closing it regardless the trade.
Exactly. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Good. Yeah.
Also remind you that the micro Bitcoin is also like the indexes and commodities because it's very volatility, the Bitcoin. Okay. The same parameters. Okay. As you can see, how beautiful it works. You see?
Yeah, amazing.
Yeah. Okay.
And is there any chance like to adapt the night plan to this indicators?
The night plan, no, unfortunately, no, because it can happen anytime in the night in the ascent session. I can't see it because we're sleeping. But if you want to trade in the ASEAN market, don't give you the parameters of the instruments that they could.
No, it says like, can I just put bands on the US session and come back at 9 p.m. and check what happened?
No.
But
I meant for the Asian session, like if we put it on band 1, band 2, let's say, sometimes it's very, very far from those bands that Muli just showed us. So maybe we can adapt it, like to put our orders on a band that it's closer to.
You need to put it in 1 a.m. when the market starts.
Yeah.
So let's say that 1 a.m. it's here. I put a sell order here and go to sleep and see if it touch or not. It's risky.
Okay.
Because you don't see the behavior of the bands. What happened in 2 a.m., 3 a.m. Okay.
You can put it and wait after 30 minutes, check.
I don't do it. I like to when I trade, I want to see it.
So you think you think the night plan is riskier than the daily trading?
In this strategy, this strategy is it's only for when you wake up, when you trade.
Okay.
Or when
Okay.
you put an order and go to sleep. It's different.
Active users.
Okay. Only when I'm active in the market. Exactly.
Yeah, so you need to be there, like you cannot just leave it and like go home.
Okay.
If I'm awake, and let's see, I tell you what I do in this morning. I was awake and I saw this ZT is here. I put order here on in 405. I want if they touch me, it's okay because I saw this and I saw this, and I put an order here. Okay.
Okay, but you took the trade upper,
like
it's above.
I put my trade here. I show you now.
Order submitted.
I put this and go to sleep. I said, if you touch me, it's okay for me because this one is with me. It's very low. Okay. This one is close to the band. It's okay with me. I don't mind if it goes down. I will be doubling the amount. Okay. I was very sure that this trade, even if I catch him in this price, I don't lose, no matter what. Okay?
Yeah, I see that you open your trade above the band. You see?
Yeah,
there.
Because of this. It was too long that the power trend was down. So,
Okay.
This is that when I look like this and
Order canceled.
okay. Let's say let's show another. I said 6N. Let's see. It's only have a good yesterday and a few days ago. You see here. You see here. Wait. You see?
Yeah.
Touch and this is done. Need to change it. You say that it's 1 and 3 because it's currencies.
Currency, yeah.
Brazilian currency, yes.
The New Zealand dollar.
You see, touch, go up, touch, go up, touch, go up. We need to close the position before 10 minutes the candle is ending.
Okay.
Just to remind this, okay? Just why did this down? Just to remember this, okay? Don't forget, it's very important.
So if I take a trade at like, I don't know, 11, at 11.50, I need to close it.
Yes. Or profit $100. What's come
Yeah,
first?
of course.
Okay.
Don't trade more than 1 hour, 50 minutes, 45 minutes.
Okay, you see
maximum.
how beautiful it's work. You see here, go down, touch, go up, touch, go up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Crazy.
So it's very a powerful tool that you can use it also to your strategy. You can combine, as I said, 3 strategies to work with. Be variable.
So
Yes.
how much do you make a day? Like when do you stop? 200-300? When do you stop?
How much did you make today?
200, it's okay for me. It's depending the size of the account. If the account is 50,000.
The 50, yeah, 50.
$150, it's okay. Each day, $150, 20 days of trading, it's $3,000. You can cash money from Apex. Okay, if it's $150,000 account, double to 300.
And from November you can make a payout.
And from November you can take payout every 8 days of trading. So you don't have the windows in the 1st to the 5th days in the month or the 15th to the 20th of the month. It's not gonna. They cancel this. If you have 8 days of trading and you above the minimums in the account, you can cash money out.
So you can request a payout like 4 times a month if you're good.
Yeah, if you're good, yes.
Top.
What advice you would give to the guys that are following us, the ones that just started with the power trend and see the first time the power trend?
I said if you write down what I'm saying, or you're going to watch it later because it's recorded, just you take the sim account and start trade with this, okay? To learn these tools, okay? After you feel comfortable, you can put your account in Apex and trade. But first, put the sim account, just get used to it, and then after you see and you understand all the rules that I explained to you, after that you can trade in the live account. Okay?
So if you use this power trend, you can make payout every 25 days,
Yeah.
20 days, 30 days.
You can work
days.
Once in let's say 1 month, 2 months, you can check the payout of the account. If you have 5 to 10 accounts and you take 2,000 from each one, it's $10,000 to $20,000. And I have lots of traders here in Israel that make it every 2 months. They request payout.
Today we have a guy here trading in the other room. He requested 4 accounts payout. He clicked payout. He refreshed the page. Approved.
Approved, yeah. The proof was
like instant, like
immediately.
10 seconds.
Yeah.
He was shocked.
Yeah. He just put a $10,000 request, and after 1 minute, it was approved. It was very quick. So, okay, just exercise these new tools. Work as I explained to you, okay?
Okay.
And
but if you feel that you get lost,
if you feel that you have a question, we're going to meet next week to explain to you the third strategy. That
maybe
is
next Tuesday again.
Just write your question to me next week. So if you have a question, just write it down, and you're gonna ask me next week about the view of the power time, and then we go forward to this one. Okay.
Okay.
So have a good luck. Have a good trade. Be patient on your trades.
Stig, you don't have any questions? Normally, Stig have many
Oh,
questions.
he got in the chat here. Like, can you please talk about the PT 60 minutes and the 2 minutes chart?
That was already 25 minutes ago.
Okay,
Yeah.
and that's
25
it.
minutes, they can shoot.
Sorry, that was in Hebrew, and I didn't get it at that time.
Okay. You don't have any questions, something that you want to know?
Well, I was wondering, I thought you were pulling it down, but I'm just thinking, I'm looking at the 1 hour chart here, and then I'm trading on the 2 minute charts. I just needed to be explained how I don't get that.
הוא אומר, אתה בודק ב-60, אבל הוא צריך לספור בשתי דקות, הוא לא מבין.
No. Look, I can combine with two tools. Okay, this is 60 minutes, this is 2 minutes. Okay, if I decide to go only on the long side because, like here, it's very the price is near to the lower band, I will trade only the lower band under the viewer. I will don't trade short above the viewer. Okay.
Okay.
So one thing that I have the direction. I don't need to choose long or short. I have the long one, only the long one.
Also, the 2 minutes we use only for the night plan.
The 2 minutes you can choose the night plan, and I will make one more zoom.
Okay. So
2 weeks ago,
the 2 minutes charts is only for the night plan. During the day, we can trade on the normal charts, like on the 1 hour charts.
Yes.
Okay, I thought everything had to go from the 2 minute charts.
This is my plan. Next week we're gonna talk on the via by delta, okay? And then we make one more zoom, and then I explain to you how to work intraday with the bands, not only for the night session, only in the morning session if you want. I will show you some insights. I am choosing my bands to start with, okay? I explain to you exactly how to trade based on these bands. And then we do summary of all that we learn in the 3 zooms or 4 zooms that we're gonna have. And I hope you're going to trade better and better and better each month when
I
you
do too.
exercise this.
Muli, guys, I have a question, guys. Are you hearing me?
Yeah.
Me, I'm doing mostly night trades, and I never did day trades.
Okay.
And I'm speaking only on behalf of myself now, but my parents teach me always to say what's on my mind, okay?
Okay.
I didn't understand the things. I want to make them more clear, or in Hebrew we say for hediotot, okay? So I see a lot of lines and candles. I don't understand how can you tell when the candle will end. First, that's my first question. How can you say?
You have the timer. You see how much time you have to the closer to the candle. You see the time remaining?
Yeah, so I will make it easy for everyone. Is this another lecture which is more for beginners?
Okay.
Like explaining like a kid, you know, how to walk, because the way you talk, and especially Bogdan and Tite and all the rest, very experienced.
It took
And
time.
for
It took
me,
time to be experienced. It took time to be experienced. Slowly. It's okay.
so I need, if it's okay, another lecture. Maybe there is a few people that will like it also. Because I really want to know from your knowledge and when to come and when to go and how to deal, because I understand there is a few instruments and also a few tools that you can stop the limit of the time of the trade, or the using the sliders. It's all very interesting, and I want to know it for many time. I don't know the PT. I don't have PT. I mean, I can ask, and what I need is something to make me like a program also, because I'm working on different hours, and I want to know, maybe it's leave the hours aside. I just want to know, because there is something that for me was very hard to understand. I'm really sorry. It looks amazing, and I want to know it more. And another thing I want to know, that's okay. I will talk it after with other people, but I want to know, how do you choose the instruments for the night, and which instruments? Because I see here like 12 different instruments, and in the night we do mostly 4 instruments.
Okay. As for the night session, Doron have 3 to 4 instruments that we work with, because they have the same behavior each night. Okay. Once in a while, they go crazy a little bit, but that's why we have the stop loss for the night. And we cut the loss, and then we continue the day after. Okay. The currency that we work is the 6B, 6C, 6E, the MNQ, M2K, that I'm working with. Okay. I have the slider that I gave to Doron. We make optimization every 2 weeks to find the best slider that work in this session. Okay, we put them, and then we choose the second band. We put the order automatically with the timing order that we just developed months ago, and go to sleep. I can make the timely orders the day before in the night. Okay, I just put the instrument, the time that I want that the order will send to the market. I'm choosing buy or sell, the number of the band and the quantity. I just put the green light, and then the order will send and the time that I choose. Okay, this is the instrument that I work with in the night session. Usually they gave me between $100 and $150, sometimes even more. Okay, profit in these nights. If I can see that gonna be like the tension that they have now in the Middle East, that every night we can have some problem with the Iranian-Israeli conflict. So I'm not putting the orders until this conflicts will end, and then I will be more sure that nothing gonna happen when I'm sleeping. But usually I put this instrument that I told you and the sliders that I'm checking every 2 weeks, and I give to Doron, and Doron give it to you. Yeah, yes. And you, as you can
Perfect,
see,
thank you.
we start months ago. If you remember that you have 3 days in red in a row, and then I told to Doron, I give you the numbers of the slider, just work, and the result was good. With no loss.
Yes, very good, very good. I just want to know why only these 4 instruments, but you answer me. Thank you.
Because me it was very important, first of all, to cut the loss that you have, to stop it, okay? And then slowly to take the account up by $50 to $100 a day, and then we're gonna double the amount, okay? But not now. We're gonna wait a month or 2 months from now, and then we're gonna do it with more amount to maximize the profit from 100 to 200. It's only to change the amount from 1 to 2 contracts. Okay?
But if you have time during the day, this tool is amazing. The power trend. If you have
during
time.
the day,
If you have time,
this tool is amazing. I think that this to be a trader is the most paying money as if you trade good, you're gonna have lots of money. Okay. If you work good in the business, it's the same salary that you get. It's no matter if you're good or bad. In the trading, it's different. If you trade good, excellence, you're gonna be lots of money. If you trade bad, you're gonna lose. Okay. So I give you here the best tools that I'm work with in the 10 to 15 years, based on research that I do in the last 30 years of trading. And I think that these tools can work from now on, as long as the market is going to open.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
let's schedule another one for next Tuesday.
Yes, next, I don't know if it's already here.
וחג שלישי הבא, אתה חושב, שר, אתה יודע? חול המועד, אבל זה לא חג.
Tell me, Muli.
Yes.
Next week, are you gonna explain us the indicators below the power trend? Because I'm really curious.
We do one more Zoom in the 22. 22 next week. It's
next Tuesday.
Next Tuesday, we took one more Zoom. We explain about the viewer by delta. I will answer a question if you have about the power trend that I'm show you today.
You're going to show him what you found in the last week?
I will show you trades that I found last week. I want to share it with you. And we move forward to take money from Apex. Okay. So have a good luck. As I said, we're gonna see you again next week. Prepare your question if you have. Just write it down and ask me. Don't be shy to ask me the question, and it's gonna be fine.
Amazing.
Okay. So bye for now. See you next week.
Thank you for your time and explanation.
Thank you.
Thanks, Muli.
My pleasure. My pleasure. Thank you.
Cheers. Bye.
Thank you.
לעשות לזה, זה פעם מערך.
מהמארח?